In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having an error code that is Windows Update KB5079473 Install Error. Your device is missing an important security update. If you're having this kind of trouble, then how we can fix it? So let's get started. So first one, we have to retry the update, restart PC and try again. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type here for settings. You have to search here for settings. The first and foremost step is all about when you get into the settings, go to the Windows Update. From here, you have to check for any kind of update. So if you're having any check for update or retry option, just go for the retry and you have to check. Sometimes that might work. If not, what you need to do is we have to go to the second step, that we have to pause and restart the update. To do so, we have to go to the settings, go to the pause update. Now we can set it this for a particular duration of time. For 1 week, 2 week, 3 week or something, you can set it for a particular duration of time and just go for check for update. And afterwards, that might help. Next one, we have to start and restart App Readiness, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So go over here, type here for services and we have to click on the services here. Once we get into the services, what you need to do is we have to go to the App Readiness, right click and go to the properties, go to automatic. The service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now we have to go for apply and go for OK. Then you have to right click and go to the restart. This is the first step. Similarly, after trying this, we have to scroll it down and navigate to the background intelligent transfer service, right click and go to the properties, go to automatic. So the service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now once you run this on start, what you need to do is we just need to wait and go for apply and go for OK. Then you have to right click and go to restart. That is also very important step. Once you're done with this one, we have to just scroll it down and navigate to the third one. That is, we have to go to the Windows Update, right click, go to the properties, make sure this is automatic, the service status is running and go for OK. Then you have to right click and go to the properties, go over here, make sure if it is right click over here and go to the restart and we have to check. That is what we have to do. So this is the third one. Now we have to go over here, go to the next one. We have to run few commands in the CMD. The first one, that is run SFC and DSM command. So first go over here, type here for CMD, click on run as administrator and make sure we have to run this as administrator and go for yes. Now we need to copy the first command, that is sfc scannow. Go over here, we have to copy and paste it. Then you have to press enter. So keep in mind, this particular step is going to take a lot of time. This might take around 10 minutes. So after the first command is done, you have to copy the second command. Copy this command, go to the CMD, just remove everything from here, copy and paste it. Then you have to press enter. Then you have to check. Next one is all about we have to use update Microsoft catalog. So go over here, copy this value here. So you have to copy the value from here, copy this value. Once this value is copied, go to the link which I'll be giving in the video description. So this is for the Microsoft update catalog. Go over here and you have to paste the link and go for search. Once you get into this, you have to go over here, find x64 based system. So in my case, the system that I'm using is x64 based one. Try downloading this particular version from here. Then you have to run this on a computer and you have to check. Next one is all about we have to use option fix problem using Windows Update. This helped many users, so you can try this out. So go to the settings, go to system, scroll it down to the bottom. Now from here we have to go to the recovery, go to fix problem using Windows Update, go for reinstall now, then you have to check. Next one, we have to reset a Windows Update component. So copy this entire command from here, copy this command, we have to copy this one as well. So I'll do it once again. Make sure that you copy this properly from the description. Make sure all these commands are copied. Copy this command. Now from here we have to go to the desktop, go to new, create a text document. Now from here you have to get into this. Now we have to copy and paste it. Now go to the file, go to save as, go to old files, go to wufix.bat. Now from here we have to go to desktop. Scroll it down to the desktop and go for save. And you have to close this. And we have to go over here, right click and go to run as administrator, and we have to check. Next one, we have to do a restart on a system. That is also possible. So we have to do a restart. Once the restart is done, we have to check. Next one is all about, we have to use media creation tool. So you'll be getting a tool from here, from this particular link. You'll be having a tool. So try downloading this particular tool. Using this tool, you have to update your Windows. Then you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.